Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a citation in Google Docs. So there is a nice feature that's actually includes in Google Docs that will help you properly format citation. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to select Tools tab and select Citations. Select this drop down if you want to select MLA or APA or Chicago author data. Select it by your preferences. After that, select add citation source and source type selected and accessed by. That's you just need to type the URL of the site and after that click on search and it's tell you what information is missing and then click on continue and any other information you are able to fill in here you would fill that in and select add quotation source and select insert what's cited. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.